This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Friday morning, the 4th of May, and we've had a bit of a sell-off in the markets overnight. It's only been mild. We'll take a look at the Dow Jones futures. We can see here the Dow is down slightly. It was down 61.9 points, or nearly 0.5%, and just topping off, meeting that resistance again. A little bit of mild seller activity likely to form into a little bit more downside in the coming sessions. The S&P 500 index was down 10 points, or 0.7%, a little bit more of a stronger sell-off in the broader markets. And the Nasdaq, the technology stocks, were down 35 points, or 1%, so even further selling in technology. In Europe, we had the FTSE index down slightly. It's formed a short-term bearish reversal point, and the German DAX was also down. It was down 16 points, or 0.2%, not very strong, but it is in this continuation of a downwards trend. In Asia, the Nikkei was down. We can see a bit more severity in the downwards movement, and closer to home, the ASX 200. The ASX 200 had a mild downwards day. We only saw a 2-point lower close at 4433. However, the SPY futures are pointing to an 11-point downwards open, so that would form a short-term bearish reversal in the expectation of a short-term counter-trend movement. Finally, volatility in the US has increased slightly. We saw the VIX up 68 cents, or 4%, and there's an expectation that volatility is going to increase on the short term. So that'll have a bearing for any derivatives traders out there that are looking to capitalize on an increase in volatility. Thank you for tuning in to the Daily Market Report. We look forward to tuning in again on Monday morning. I hope you all have a great weekend and happy trading.